Welcome to Pompeii, Italy. We will be exploring the ancient city that was frozen in time by the eruption of Mount Vesuvius in 79 AD. Let's begin our journey. Pompeii was once a thriving Roman city until it was buried under volcanic ash. This catastrophic event preserved the city, providing us with a unique glimpse into ancient Roman life. As we enter Pompeii, we come to the main square or forum, which was the heart of public life. Surrounding the forum were important buildings like temples, markets, and public offices. Just a short walk from the main square, we find the theatre. This grand structure hosted various performances, including plays, musical acts, and even gladiatorial contests. The seating was divided into sections based on social status, with the best seats reserved for the elite. Imagine the vibrant cultural events that once took place here.
Oh, I see. Yeah, I did catch that.
Never mind, these numbers are not original, of course. They have different numbers.
Walking through the streets of Pompeii, you can see the remarkable preservation of the roads and buildings. The stone-paved streets and stepping stones give us a clear picture of daily life in this ancient city.
If you're going to Naples, you will find the same. Only. Always a beautiful tolerant. Supporting the group so that they could walk, during the day in shade. This part of the house, everyday life of the family. In the middle, there was always fountain, caves with birds. The pillars were always covered with flowers. And around dining rooms, like this one. This was a dining room. Well, the dining room was called the big living room. They had
c'era dentro quel buco?
She's like, oh, the people that can't walk can sit over here. Well, the people that can't walk are over here.
As we continue our tour, we come across what appears to be the remains of a young girl. These plaster casts were made by filling the voids left by decomposed bodies with plaster, capturing the final moments of the Pompeii inhabitants. This haunting image reminds us of the tragic fate that befell the people of Pompeii. It's a poignant testament to the sudden and devastating impact of the volcanic eruption. Exploring Pompeii is like stepping back in time. The ruins tell a story of a vibrant city abruptly silenced by nature's fury. Thank you for joining me on this journey through history. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel adventures. See you in the next video.